Let's go for a drive. We're in the 420 horsepower M235i. I think I might grab a pizza. So yeah, taking you guys with me, stay tuned. Now the main reason we're going is to get fuel. In the UK, Tesco Momentum is the fuel I put in this car. Where I live, there's no other petrol stations that have premium fuel. This petrol station never has premium fuel. It's so annoying. So we're currently on 36-mile range with map 4, which is selected for my lowest octane rating map, which sucks, which means we can't have too much fun with the car, for the full performance that is, until we've got some nice premium fuel.
So much torque, the chassis twisted coming off the line.
And everyone will be wondering, why not just run octane boosters? Have you seen what octane boosters does to spark plugs? It's not very good. Oh! Blow-off valve on the other hand, I think you can hear it very well. It's incredible, as always. I feel like it's going to rain, which isn't going to benefit me with these semi-slicks on the front, so we need to make this trip quick. And this car in front is doing the complete opposite. The UK speed limit is 60, so explain to me why people do 40 on an open road. Make it make sense. On the other hand, sounds naughty. This guy in front is so desperate to overtake. It's some guy in an Astro and he's flying. Right, we made it to town pretty quick. Speed limit, of course. Next thing to do is get petrol. Oh my life, 2 police vans. 2 police vans with McDonald's cups in the cup holders. It's quite funny. Pizza is next. That's the main purpose of this video. However, we're gonna get fuel first, order the pizza while we're getting fuel, collect it, speed run all the way back home, and hopefully it'll still be warm. If it's still warm, it means the video was successful. At least we know the police aren't in town now and they're actually on a different mission. So we can keep their eyes away from this car, I guess. Hopefully. You know what's going to happen? I'm going to turn up at this petrol station now with hardly any fuel in my tank. And there's going to be no premium fuel. Because I live in literally like nowhere. In fact, the lights for the petrol station aren't even on. I don't feel like this is going to be my day today. It's not looking good. It's a very bad day, you guys. It is indeed a very bad day. There's no premium fuel at all. We're ordering Domino's. It's got to be done. No, I don't want any more sides. Check out. Honestly, I don't want to be upsold anything. Just let me buy the pizza. Collection, 9 minutes. That is good news. It literally won't let me proceed. It's frozen. We were slightly unsuccessful in today's trip though because there's no premium fuel. It does work. A little tip for the UK viewers. If it says that it's got like no fuel and it's got all the covers on all of the Momentum, if you click pay by card and there's like no one there, the pump still works and it will give you Momentum. But I didn't want to do it, and I haven't done that, by the way, just saying, I haven't done that. I didn't want to do it when the people were actually in the kiosk because they'll probably come out and shout at me. I didn't want that to happen. But yeah, little tip. It's really starting to rain now. This is fun. This is a lot of fun. And it can get me in a lot of trouble. It's raining and this car's fast. Man. And then you run into someone again doing 40 mile an hour. Right, we're ready to go. Order's ready for collection. I'll be back once I've got the pizza. Why does it always have to rain when I make a video? Like, it's summertime in the UK. It's July, it's like 2 days time, and it's raining, and there's no sun. It's like 8 o'clock, but it's just miserable. I've got it, and the car's there, and now it's raining. My pizza's getting wet. This thing, though, looks sexy. Success. Let's get home. ASAP. My door was not shut for some reason, and the rain is really coming in, so we need to get back, like now. The UK weather is a joke. If people indicated on roundabouts, it would make life faster for everybody. This car is quick and loud. My days. I want my Domino's warm when I get back, and I'm gonna make sure of it. We've got another Muppet doing 40 mile an hour now. 3 cars. Easy. This car is still no slouch, even with the, like, I guess you could call it crappy fuel, even though to some people it's really good. But even the lower octane fuel, this car's quick still. I'd be interested to know what power it is with this fuel in, compared to the 99 octane, which I usually put in the super unleaded. And we're at a red light. My pizza is going cold. And we're at a red light, still. Really raining now, which sucks. There we have it, guys. We're back. It's so warm in this car because I put the heating up to keep the pizza warm. I'm gonna go taste it now. Hopefully it's gonna be as good as it would have been if I ate it there. And yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, something different, you can subscribe. You can also hit the like button if you did enjoy the video. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll answer them. Apart from that, I'm just letting the engine cool down. We're at 109 degrees oil temperature, which is about 10 degrees lower than it was 5 minutes ago when we were driving. But it's always just really important to let the car cool down after a long, hard drive. And apart from that, she's looking really, really clean, considering it did rain. The car's looking great. Apart from these bits on the back, they're a bit annoying. What's the oil level going to be? Hopefully maximum, and we can turn this off. One very important thing, can't forget before, the pizza. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next video.